Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, simple, we just want to talk about my mug, which is going on at the moment, you know what I mean. I have at least about 50 mugs, and if anyone need to get one of my mug, you know what I mean, I've been selling them a lot, and they, you know what I mean, a lot of my fans, and they love the mug. And you know what I mean, as I can see the different comments that people been leaving about the mug, it's just brilliant. So the mug is on sale at the moment. There's a 50% off, $9.99, and you can get one of my mug. All you need to do is just send me a message. All of my details is on the internet, guys. As I said, send me a message at chefricardo@hotmail.co.uk, and definitely if you want one of my mug, definitely you can get it. $9.99. You can have one in your kitchen and help celebrate Black History Month this end of this month. Thank you so much for the support, guys. And as I can see, the mug is just brilliant, really good. You can, you know what I mean, it's a nice mug to have in your kitchen, you know what I mean. It's something new, something different, and it's white, and it's a good mug to have in your kitchen. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, guys. It's just amazing to know that you can, you know what I mean, introducing different stuff and different ideas. Cookbook coming out, the mug is out, so get your mug, have it in your kitchen. Tell one of your friend of mine that you get a mug, and you know what I mean, they're supporting Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. And as I say, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, follow me. We got your special idea and special different things and different things that you can do at home. Recipe are there for you, cookbook is there for you, mug is there for you. Right here, guys, as you can see, thank you. Full white, you got a Jamaican flag at the side right here, and also the logo of Chef Ricardo right here. So basically, guys, if you want to get one of my mug for buy, remember, as I said before, my number is 07944. All the information will be down below in that comment box. All right, you can get the mug for buy, and this is the way how it look right here. Really nice and beautiful, as you can see. Chef Ricardo mug, and there's a 50% off at the moment. So get your one for buy, and tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, this is it right here. As you can see, $9.99, 50% off, and you know what I mean, if you're in the UK, you can get your shipment. Anywhere that the world you are, you can get your shipment. Thank you so much for tuning into my show, and don't go anywhere. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming your way. As you can see, Chef Ricardo mug for sale, 50% off. Thank you so much.